So the answer is, at this point, x references the object 3, which is an integer, so it has type int. After the next assignment, now x references the string hello Udasius1, which has type str. At this point, while we're inside the definition of the function double, double takes a parameter named x. Note that this is a different x from that x. This x is defined inside the body of the double procedure. This one is visible outside it. We don't actually know what object this x references yet. It doesn't reference an object until we call double and pass in a value, so its value is actually unknown. So at this point, the object x would reference is unknown, and the type of x is also unknown. But importantly, this is a different x from that one. The type of that x is still type str. After the last assignment, and I didn't make this part of the quiz, the type of x is now type function. And the point of this quiz is to illustrate that Python types are dynamic. And the real emphasis of that is the fact that the type of x at this point could be unknown. We can define a function, have a variable named x. It doesn't have a type until it's associated with an object.